Summer is just around the corner, lockdown is almost over. Beat the blues with this refreshing strawberry water. This drink contains strawberry, lemon, and basil. This delicious drink could boost your immune system, your memory, and also contains anti-aging properties. It's great for your skin and is amazing for weight loss. So, if you want to have a healthy, refreshing and tasty drink, this strawberry water is a must-try. Instead of the plain water, you can also serve this drink for your next party. Check out the recipe of this amazing strawberry water. Ingredients: 4 to 6 slices strawberries, 1 to 2 slices of lemon, a small handful of basil leaves, half a gallon of water, ice cubes. Directions: place the strawberries, lemon slices and basil in a large pitcher. Add water and chill for at least 2 hours or overnight. Serve and enjoy.